Hi all, welcome to my channel. I'm Mark, this is Mark's Mods, and today we have got Back to the Future Fridays, everybody. So we have issue 28 of Build the Back to the Future Delorean, and basically we're just going to be working more on the front of the vehicle where the fans are, and we're just going to more or less encase them on and then put them onto the vehicle. So it should be a nice, quick, easy issue to do this one today. So with all that said, let's get modelling. Okay, let's get started. So what we need first of all, we need the radiator grill back, and we need the radiator grill, and we're just going to simply put this into here. We have got a little location tab there, so it can only go in one way, and we're just going to drop that into there like that. Next we need this piece, which is the radiator mount. Now I'm just looking how this goes, just making sure I do it properly the right way around. Right, so it's going to be going on a little bit like that. Let me just double check that. Yeah, I think that is correct. Right, so it's going to be going on like that basically. And then we need to screw this down with FP screws. Now I've got to be careful because of this angle bit here. So that's the first one, and then we'll get the second one. And that's the second one in place, just like that. Okay, next we need this that we did last issue, and we're going to be affixing this to it. Now it's basically going to be going on like so. Basically that you've got like three prongs here, and they want to be facing down towards the curved section of the grill, and just like that, and then that needs to be screwed in with AP screws. So one-handedly load up an AP screw. No. Right, so let's line this up. So I'm going to put the first one in at the top here in the middle. Okay, and then we'll continue with the rest. If I get all my AP screws out. Keep going around. So that's two in so far. This is the third. So that's three in. That's four. That's five. And we have a last one just here. A few difficulties that one because it could have a little bit of flashing on. Okay. Okay, so we need to attach it to the car or the chassis. So bring that across. It's very heavy, and it's more or less going to be going on this way, and it's attaching to the actual grill or radiator. And we need to screw this in. I'm just going to get an FP screw, I'm right, ready, because we're going to be flipping this upside down and screwing it in. So if I try and bring that into shot. Right. Right, that first one's gone in. Just need another FP screw. Right. We'll get the other FP screw into place. Bring it back into shot a bit better. Oh, that's going in lovely jubbly. Just make sure this one's done. Yep. And then we can flip the car back over, and there we have our mount in place. If I just adjust the build camera, the close-up camera, there you can see that in place now on the front of the vehicle. Very, very nice. I don't think it's going to be that loose, so I might just have to tighten them screws up a bit more. But that is it. That's all we have to do for this issue, issue 28. So, issue 28 is done. Well, that's it for Back to the Future Fridays, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Really enjoyed that issue of the DeLorean. To tell you the truth, I haven't had many problems with the DeLorean so far, touch wood. Because yeah, I watch you guys out there that have built this. If you've done videos, I watch them intently just to know what I've got coming. But yeah, I really enjoyed that build. Nice quick build to end the week with. So if you like this video, please give it a massive thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and hit that notification bell, and you'll be notified of any future videos. But guys, as for always, stay safe and bye for now. I'd just like to give a shout out to all my patrons that help and support the channel. Please check out their channels on YouTube as well, and thank you very much for watching.